What's up, you guys? It's Lauren and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Bye.
For this week's video, we have a very exciting review. Today, I'm going to be reviewing Insert Name Here. Insert Name Here has a variety of different products ranging from extensions to ponytails to hot tools to wigs, and I love the whole vibe of their brand. I was so excited when they reached out to me. So today, I'm going to be reviewing their Lola Pony and their Remy 22-inch human hair clip-in extensions. So I get super hype about extensions because, little backstory here, I have wanted long hair ever since I've been in 8th grade. Like, any of my hometown friends know, it's all I would ever talk about is how I was insecure about my hair and how it would never grow and it was always dead, and that's because I was putting too much heat on it. I don't put as much heat on it to this day, but I still am not able to achieve the length that I want, which is the length that I'm gonna get with these extensions. This is probably as far as it will grow, but I want them down here and I want them thick. So I'm gonna be showing you how to apply the Remy hair extensions, and then I'm going to show you how to apply the ponytail. I'm probably gonna film the ponytail a separate day because you know when you like just washed your hair and you just straightened it and did all that and you put gel in it and then it gets all kind of, you know. Regardless, I'm reviewing the pony too, and I'm gonna show you guys how to put it in. I've already tried it and it's super cute. I also believe that Ariana Grande gets her ponytails from this company, which is super cool. We all love Ariana Grande. If you don't, I'm not gonna tell you to stop watching this video. I'm like, leave, but love Ariana Grande. She's an absolute queen, and we're gonna achieve that ponytail look that she can get using their Lola Pony. But first, I'm going to show you guys how to apply the Remy hair extensions. I also just want to highlight how freaking cute their packaging is. It's in this like super silky bag, and it's like a little receipt in it, but it's not actually a receipt. It's like, date, best day ever. Receipt, dream hair, we dev care. Like, it's so cute. I love this. This was like, it made me giggle. So super cute touch right here. I got the Remy hair extensions in the color Luxe Mocha Melt. What's great about this company is you can get color matched, so you can either DM them on Instagram, and I believe there's a little chat on their site that you're able to talk to someone and figure out which color is best for you, which is amazing because online it's really hard to match extensions to your actual hair color. And I think they did a really good job of matching these to my hair. These are so soft. I kind of just like when I go like this all day, it's like it just feels so good. You can definitely tell it's human hair. The quality of this is absolutely insane. I've tried extensions before and none of them felt like this. Like, this is like top notch. These are absolutely amazing. So love that. And they also send this little silk scrunchie with it, which who doesn't need extra scrunchies? And when I'm done with these, I like to fold them all like this and put the scrunchie on it because it won't pull the hair out or anything. And then I just put it back into the pouch that they sent it in originally. Before I put my extensions in, I like to straighten my hair, and then afterwards I'll normally do something to blend it, kind of like by curling the ends of my hair with the actual extensions. So there's 4 clips, so 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 2 3 clips, and then there are 3 of the 2 clips. So for the specific Remy extensions, they have a medium length, a light length, and a luxe length. And these are the luxe. These are the longest and the thickest extensions that you're gonna get. So what's great about these is you can dye them and you can style them. So these are heat resistant up to 320 degrees, which you shouldn't need to go higher than that. You can basically just treat this like your natural hair. You can put it in, style it how you want. If you want to dye it, if you dye your hair and you want to keep these extensions, then you can dye the extensions too to match your hair. So first things first is I'm going to section off my hair. So first step is going to be sectioning off around my neck area. Just do a straight line and then put the rest of the hair up on top of your head. So I'm going to put it around. I'm going to find the center of the clip and put it in the center of my head and just clip it in. And then clip the sides. I have a really, really tiny head, so it normally goes all the way out to my ears. And there you go, it's already starting to look longer. Now I'm going to let my hair down on top of that. As you can see, not blended just yet. So now I'm going to part just above where I put the last extension. And then put it up on top of my head. This time I'm going to add the 4-piece extension. So I just brush it out like so, and then repeat the same steps. already see the length it's adding. I love extensions so much. They literally give me so much confidence. And I love this brand because it's kind of like a one-stop shop for everything that you need for your hair care. This quality is just like amazing. But now I'm going to let down my hair again. Then I'm going to section above the last extension. It's kind of the same process as you're catching on. Now I'm going to add another 3-piece extension. I'm going to repeat the same step, find the center of my head, and put the clip in. It's always hard whenever you're like filming and you have to do the back of your head, and like it may look awful to you guys, but it just feels right to me, you know? So now it's definitely getting thicker, as you can see, and it's starting to blend a little better. I just said better, like so weird. Did you hear that? Now I'm going to let down the top pieces. I'm going to be very careful so I don't pull out any of the clips. So now I'm left with 3 of the 2 pieces. So now I'm going to part above my last extension and then add a 2-piece. So I think I'm going to add all these extensions on the same line. So I'm going to add a 2-piece in the center and the back. And then I'm going to add the other 2 pieces on the side. And I'm just going to do it along my hairline here. Voila! My roots are darker, so as you can see, there's a big change, but my front pieces are blonde, so it's gonna blend really nicely. I already feel like a bad bee, you know, where you can just like whip your hair back and forth. Cue Willow Smith. I'm not singing it out loud because I'll get copyrighted, which is no bueno. So now I'm going to do the other side. And now I'm going to let down the top pieces, which is kind of like my shorter hair. And then, voila! I have long, luscious hair that makes me feel so confident. So the front of my hair is already kind of layered, so I don't feel like I need to like curl it or anything to make it blend better. I feel like it blends really, really well. But if you do have more of like a blunt cut and you want to blend it, I'm going to show you what you can do. This actually isn't plugged in because I'm not actually going to curl my hair, but if so, if you want to blend it better, you can like grab the whole piece together and start up here and then start curling, and then keep pushing off of this and going upwards. And then whenever you're done and you let it go, it will all be curled and blended together. Also, if you're gonna curl it, I like to do it as I put my extensions in. So I'll section off my hair, I'll curl that part, and then I'll put it in and then curl it all together. And then once I have it all in, I'll normally adjust it with my fingers, and then I'll go through wherever else it's needed. Look how long and luscious it looks, it's so cute. So now I'm going to show you guys how I apply this one, but not first without a montage of me whipping my hair back and forth. Okay everybody, so I am back to do the ponytail section of the video. Yes, it is a new day. I didn't want to do like the whole styling with the extensions and the ponytail in one day, so that is why I look a little different. So before I start the ponytail section of the video, I really quickly just want to talk about my makeup for today. So my makeup today is all products from Merit. I have heard a lot about this company, and I was really, really excited when they reached out and they wanted to work with me. Merit is all about minimalist beauty, so they sent me their 5-minute morning routine, which is perfect for me because half the time I really just don't feel like doing my makeup, and if I want just like a super natural look, this is perfect for that. So first off, their packaging is so cute. I love the blue, and it says less is more, which we love with makeup. And then they put everything in this cute little corduroy bag. It literally took me 5 minutes to do my makeup, and that is absolutely amazing. We love that for me. So packaging is so cute. It's in these blue little boxes. So first thing I use is the Complexion Stick. This isn't meant to be a foundation or a concealer. It's basically both, and you apply it just wherever you feel is needed, and it blends really nicely with your actual skin. And then they send this blending brush. This is so soft. I was rubbing it on my face and I'm like, oh, it feels so nice. But you just use this to rub in the Complexion Stick. Also, can we just talk about how like cute this is right here? Like the little Merit. Like, I just love the packaging of everything. So then I use this blush. It's so cute. It's like circular, and you just put it on like this, and then you rub it in with your finger. So I applied it here on my nose, and then I put a little here, and I think it looks so cute. It definitely gave my face more life because it was just kind of pale before that, and this definitely added the little kick of color that it needed. Then they have this glow stick, so basically it's just a little highlighter stick and you apply it here. I applied it on my nose and in my my Cupid's bow. This has just like a really nice shine that it adds to the face, sorry, I just flipped you off. Especially on the tip of the nose, and right here it helps enhance your lips. This is super creamy too. I feel like all the products are just really creamy and they blend into your skin so nicely. I'm honestly just like really excited about this company because it took me 5 minutes to do my makeup, and like the products are amazing. So lastly, I threw on the tinted lip oil, and it's just like a super natural glow, a little glossy. Then they have this brow brush, and you just brush it along your brows and it makes them fuller and fluffier. And then lastly, to finish it off, you guys, I'm going crazy. Then lastly, to finish it off, I use this clean lash mascara. I really like the brush of this. I feel like it lengthened my lashes and it didn't get gunky or anything. I am so excited about Merit. Thank you for sending me over these products, and I'm literally gonna use this every day. So now back to the ponytail. I am going to be applying the Lola Ponytail in the color Ash Brown. I think instead of just like slicking my hair back and adding the pony, I'm going to do like a little part that I always do when I do ponytails. My hair is literally crazy right now, so just ignore that. So first I'm gonna make sure my hair is parted in the middle, and then I'm just gonna use my fingers and cut these front pieces off from the rest of my hair. And then I'm gonna grab these pieces and make myself look extra crazy really quickly by making a ponytail in the front so it's separated. I'm done, guys. Doesn't it look cute? I'm just kidding. So now I'm going to comb the rest of it back and put it into a high pony. I'm probably gonna use a little bit of gel just so it looks super smooth. Okay, so now that my pony is high on my head, I'm gonna take these pieces down and you're done. I'm just kidding, you guys, that would be so bad. So now what I'm gonna do, instead of just going straight back, is I'm going to take these pieces and I'm going to pull them back on the side. So I'm gonna get some gel and I'm gonna gel it so I still will have a middle part whenever I have my ponytail. I love whenever there's high ponies and there's still a part in the center, so that is what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, I had to fix it a little bit off camera because I kind of messed it up. And then I take a little spoolie brush. So I think I got this when I got eyelash extensions. It's just a mascara wand, no mascara on it. And then I use this to comb back baby hairs. I saw this trick on TikTok and it honestly works wonders. And it really just helps pull everything back. Okay, so now that that's all smoothed out, I'm going to take my Lola Pony. So you'll see on the Lola Pony that it has this little barrette right here, and then it has this Velcro with an extra piece of hair right here that you're gonna wrap around your ponytail. But first you're gonna take this barrette and you're gonna put it right in front of where your ponytail is currently at so it stays in your hair. Then you're going to wrap this around and connect the Velcro to the other side. You wanna be careful because it can sometimes get stuck in your hair, as Velcro does. Then connect the Velcro in the front and wrap the hair around. Then you're gonna use bobby pins to secure this extra piece of hair in place. The quality of this is seriously so amazing. I am literally shook by how soft this is. Now I'm gonna put the bobby pins in to hold in the extra piece of hair. And voila, now I have a long, thick ponytail that I normally would not achieve with my regular hair. So you can already see how cute it is, how the Lola Pony specifically flips outward, or you can flip it inward. So you can have it like flip out and it'll sit like really cute in front of your shoulders like this. Otherwise you can flip it inward like so, and then it'll flip in towards your shoulders, which is also super cute. I always try and make my own hair do like the little flip, and I can never make it happen. So that's why I'm so excited that I now have this pony that will allow me to make my hair flip how I like. The quality of this pony is seriously amazing, and I can't wait to wear this out. I will link everything down below. I'll link the products that I used and their website and their social channels. Also, I have a code that you can use. Whenever you check out, make sure to use code LaurenL15 for 15% off site-wide, which is amazing. Make sure you hit the bell button so you're notified every time that I post a new video. Also, it would be amazing if you could like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and I'll see you all next week with a new video. Bye guys!